And so I got this website redone. It looks a lot better on mobile, but I'm converting. So this is my jewelry store, but we've done some work on the ads. The ads are doing good. I'm just converting at like 1.5%. Trying to get that higher. I just kind of wanted you to look through it and just like surf through it and see if there's like anything just off the top of your head that I could be doing to get the conversion rate up.
Yeah, there is some things. Scroll down.
Okay.
Right there. The first option needs to be your best seller. Needs to be your best seller with the add to cart button here. Like,
Okay.
man, I want to show you a site, but I don't know if I can show you that one. Like go to your product real quick. Click on a ring real quick. Let's say this is the best seller. Have it show up like just like this on that second part of your homepage. This will
Okay.
increase your conversions no matter what if you do that. Go back to your homepage. Like it's proven.
Okay.
This is already like this has already been proven scientifically.
Okay. So you mean like have the ring here and then this with the add to cart?
Yeah, except flip it the opposite direction. Have your add to cart on the left-hand side.
Okay. All right,
Yeah,
cool.
like just flip it. And then it'll be right here. And then those, move them down like two more after like scroll down a little bit. Yeah, move that section after this next section. Go down. What's this? Yeah, skip. All right. So after that, put those down here and then go down. What's down here? All right. All right, keep going. You need to move your reviews up a little bit more. All right.
Okay.
Go down. You need to put this Instagram stuff right above your email and have that email at the bottom.
Okay, that
Move
makes
that,
sense.
swap those two, move the testimonials up a couple more, and then boom, that'll fix it.
Okay, and how did
It's looking
the
good.
yeah, it looks a lot better on mobile. We had a developer from Upwork. He was pretty good. I used to use Fiverr, bro, but I could never get anyone to do anything right. So I switched over, tried Upwork. The kid actually did a pretty good job. But these are so on mobile, it has a buy it now button, but here it doesn't. I don't know why, but this is kind of the product page. I don't know if you have any recommendations here because these are obviously where I send most of the people. This ring right here is like my best seller right now. I have some new stuff coming out.
Do you sell a ring size kit?
No, I don't.
You should. You know,
Okay,
every
a
ring I've ever bought I've bought in the ring kit prior to buying a ring.
ring size kit.
Yeah, I always buy a ring size kit.
Okay, cool. Yeah, no, I'll add that for sure.
Yeah, it gives me like a box of 9 rings, and it has one. I don't know what the sizes overall are, but it might go through 1 through 9. I don't know what all the exact ring sizes are, but it gives me
Okay.
9 rings usually every time. Actually, I only bought 2 ring kits because then I realized that they're the same fucking size.
Oh yeah, for
So I was
real.
like, I'm never buying a ring kit again.
Yeah, but it'd be nice to have at least like a probably good like I mean upsell or something, right? Something.
Exactly. Well, that's the benefit. You sell them the ring kit, then they go and buy a bunch of rings because now they know their size and now their confidence level is just like way up.
Oh, okay,
Because they're
cool.
like, I know I'm a number 4. I'm gonna buy all the number 4s. And then when you get the size, have them enter that shit in on your site and then only recommend them the rings of the sizes you have available in that, size.
Oh,
Then you're
okay.
like
Yeah,
doing
that
some Amazon stuff and it's like real personal.
yeah, that oh, so you mean like when they buy the ring size kit, have them enter their size and then
Yeah. Like on the ring kit, like have them enter their size online. And then boom, now you have that data.
oh yeah, for real, man. That's smart for sure. Yeah, here's kind of that's like 1.53, but
That's
everything's
horrible.
yeah, and I don't understand why. I mean,
It's a
it's
ring
doing
size. I guarantee you it has something to do with it.
it. Yeah, it probably is honestly because this one it's fairly limited. I mean, I guess not too bad, but you think it's like this the ring size options, and I mean a couple of the things were sold out. I'm trying to get it higher, just do something.
Yeah, definitely.
And do you have any other recommendations for like the situation I'm in for like being in the roof max niche? Like any CRMs just to make my life easier. I don't know if you would know anything off the top of your head.
What are you looking to do with the CRM?
So like basically now I'm using something called ClickSend because a lot of their leads are being sent through text message or it goes into their CRM automatically. But they like their leads texted to them. They just get them quicker and then they'll call them from the text message. I just want something where I can like I guess track all of them in like one area. Like, hey, this guy has 10 leads this month. This guy's got something like that. I don't know if it's out there or what I'd have
Yeah, it is
to
out
do to
there.
use that.
Did you sign up for our beta?
I did. Yeah, I requested to. I filled out the form in the Facebook group.
Yeah. Um, yeah, I don't have a specific CRM offhand, like for that situation. For like multiple accounts, you know, most CRMs are going to price the hell out of that for you to have a bunch of different
Yeah.
accounts. So like, that's, I see what you're saying. There's CRMs we use, but like none come to mind in terms of volume since you're dealing with a lot of dealers.
Yeah.
Different.
It's just a weird situation. So
Yeah.
it's just like,
Um, how soon are you wanting to get something launched?
I mean, nothing. I mean, I'm good right now. It's just I'm trying to build a solid foundation for when like I have like 120 of these guys,
Okay,
you know.
perfect.
So,
Yeah. Within about a month, you should be able to beta everything and go through it and see.
oh, okay, cool. So, what is Surge going to be? It's like a full on CRM, like
It's not.
you-
It's going to store customer data. It's not built as a CRM because you're not managing your relationships there officially. But what you will be able to do is like track all of the data, know where those users are coming from, and you'll be able to segment it by the company. So like you could know exactly which leads came from which guy in there, and like have it all
oh, okay,
separated by
that'll be
company,
perfect.
and know which, did they come through email, did they come through Facebook, Google. You'll be able to know because it's going to attach it to a source, and you'll be able to see the people's names, their phone numbers, their emails. The data will be there, but like you're not going to be able to like, you can connect it to an email provider to send it out, but at first it's purely for just tracking and keeping track of everything.
Okay, well that'll still be nice, especially with everything coming. And one more question. We're for the CEO. He wanted to test some stuff on LinkedIn. What do you think about
Tell them
LinkedIn
no.
ads?
Tell them it's too costly.
Okay,
Their system's not fully fleshed out yet in terms of optimized. Um, it doesn't really make sense to do as a platform as of yet. Tell them that you
yeah.
should still scale through Facebook ads before deciding to go to LinkedIn.
Okay, and is there any other platform you'd recommend for kind of that industry
Google,
besides like Google? Yeah, I
Google,
think they're already doing some
YouTube,
Google, but
Google,
Google, yo,
Google searching.
I think
You could
YouTube
do
for sure.
TikTok, but like, it makes sense
It,
just to post organically there.
Yeah, exactly, for sure. I'm trying to get him on everything because I mean he's cool. He's an older guy, but he listens to like the newer technology, so we're kind of like guide him to all that kind of stuff. So, all right, man. Well, I appreciate it. And what? So, do you think the dynamics a good idea? If I already know what works when I get a new dealer on, does it make sense just to use the captions that already work and the videos? I'm seeing like a lot better
Yeah.
results when I do it
Isn't that
dynamically.
isn't that the benefit? Is it like you already have the things that work?
Yeah, I guess, right? But I mean, you would never use it unless you know that it converts dynamic, right?
Yeah,
Would it make sense?
you should eventually have this down to a science because you're going to be the roof, marketer king.
Yeah.
And so like in order to do that, you have to have like these things are eventually just going to be templates for you. You'll just know. It's just
Well,
copy and paste and then boom, the thing's running.
that's how it is right now, dude. It's just like I have a Google Drive, it's set captions, whatever, headlines, everything is copy and paste right now. So
Yeah.
it's nice
And
for sure.
and we're gonna be having like some rules I'm gonna be able to share. Like one of the people who are in the mastery class, Cameron, you might have seen him on some of these calls, but he's now at our agency. And the dude's just been hustling and like he's
Yeah.
mapping, he's been like he's super techy and he's been automating all these rules. Like has these accounts literally like running on automation. And so he's putting together some docs and I'm gonna eventually share them with you guys so that way you can just automate the same stuff because like literally it's like
Damn, okay.
hands off. It's kind of weird.
Damn, that's awesome. Well, that'll be great. Well, I appreciate it, man, as always. Thank you.
No problem, Jet.
All right, Chase. Later.
All right, bye.